Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to insert an image into a shape on Photoshop. Let's begin. First, we'll create a new layer, then click any shape or already inserted shape. I use custom shape shapes. Select the shape tool menu and click this shape. Press use stroke color or not use stroke as your wish. I use stroke color for red, then stroke size, stroke style, then press enter. Hold shift click and drag it on your mouse, then go to file tab, open and go insert your image. Select your image. I select this. Okay, then click and drag it. Resize, press Ctrl T, hold shift click and drag it. Then click the image layer, right click on your mouse. Now find this. We can see this create clipping mask. Click here. Then automatically fitting this shape image to shape. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.